Now, our covalent compounds are going to bond, and we have an octet rule for this. And this time, electrons are shared. So, for example, if we have H2O, we have one oxygen. We're going to use the valence electrons. We're going to use the valence electron dot structures. And then we've got two hydrogens. These electrons right here are going to be shared. And that pair between the hydrogen and the oxygen are going to be shared. So we could draw it like this. And put some circles on it, give it a little Venn diagram look. We've got the hydrogen there, which has two electrons, which makes it stable. Hydrogen there has two electrons, which makes it stable. And oxygen has its 8 electrons, which makes it stable. That's a little bit of a mess. So we are more likely to use the dash for the shared pair of electrons. It makes our structure easier to look at. And it also makes our drawing look more like a model kit that we might use. Now, here are fluorine. Each has 7 valence electrons. And you can see that it gets really confusing to not use the dashes when you have that many dots. Any unshared pairs are called lone pairs. And they will be important in determining shapes of molecules. Now, what we have shown in these examples is a single bond, because only one single pair of electrons are being shared. We can have double bonds. I'm going to rewrite this over here. In which we share 1 and then 2 pairs of electrons. So we would write it with 2 dashed lines. We can have a triple bond, in which case 3 pairs of electrons are shared between 2 atoms. So we would draw 3 dashed lines between them.